Welcome to Bleed Sports, this is Novargis. Today we will be analysing the match between CSK and KKR. 8 of the players that we predicted in the last video were in the dream team. I am sure that this video would also be a useful one for all the fantasy sports lovers out there. Both CSK and KKR are unbeaten in the second leg of the IPL. So both the teams are in good form now. Match will be played at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi on the 26th of September at 3:30 pm Indian Standard Time. There will be two matches on the 26th. MI will be playing against RCB and we will be doing the match analysis for that match too. Team analysis. Of the 24 matches that these teams have played against each other, CSK have won 15 and KKR have won 8 and one match has been abandoned. Probable 11 for both the teams are shown on the screen. CSK rarely make any changes. They haven't used Sam Curran in the second leg of the IPL. Bravo comes at 8th in that team, so they might not need another batter. ICC have recently instructed to use the term batter instead of batsman and batswoman. So if MSD thinks otherwise, they could easily swap Hazelwood with Sam Curran. KKR has a set 11. Most probably they won't be making any changes. Why do they have to? They are in good form now and would like to continue that. Dream 11 team predictions. I have selected a team and let's look how it looked like. I have selected Dinesh Karthik as my wicket keeper. The other option is MS Dhoni here. If I had an option, I would haven't selected a wicket keeper in this team. Both are having a poor numbers here, but Dinesh Karthik is having a better number compared to MS Dhoni. Both of the players are similar kind of players. They come down the order. They won't be much valuable to our Dream 11 team, but we have to select one player, so I have gone with Dinesh Karthik here. In the batting department, I have selected Faf du Plessis, Venkatesh Iyer, Rahul Tripathi and Gaikwad. The CSK openers, both the CSK openers are there, that is Faf and Gaikwad is there. The notable absentee here is actually Eoin Morgan. I haven't selected Eoin Morgan and Shubman Gill here. The Kolkata's opening batsman Shubman Gill haven't selected, and also Eoin Morgan is not there. Also from the CSK side, I haven't selected Ambati Rayudu here. Ambati Rayudu is in good form actually, but there is no place to add him to our Dream 11. So I haven't gone with Ambati Rayudu here. So the final batsmen I have selected are Faf du Plessis, Venkatesh Iyer, Rahul Tripathi and Gaikwad. In the all-rounders department, I have selected Dwayne Bravo, Sunil Narine and Anthony Russell. From Kolkata side, I have selected Sunil Narine and Anthony Russell. Both of them are in good form. And I have selected Dwayne Bravo. Dwayne Bravo is the death bowler for CSK and he picks up wickets. He picks up like 2 to 3 wickets every match, so we can't leave him out. And in the bowling department, I have selected Loki Ferguson, Varun Chakravarti from the KKR team and Chahar from the CSK team. Loki Ferguson is the KKR's death bowler, so we have to select him. As you all know, death bowlers are really important in the Dream 11 team as they pick wicket in the last few hours when the batsmen go all over the bowlers. They might get wickets, so we have to choose the death bowlers. I have gone with Loki Ferguson here. Also Varun Chakravarti is in good form and Deepak Chahar as my bowlers. So that's the Dream 11 prediction for you. Join our Telegram group for the last minutes updates related to team after the toss. Link to join the Telegram group is given in the description. Statistical data sheet used to pick the Dream 11 team will be provided in our Telegram group. Link to download the Dream 11 is given in the description. Please do check out that. Check out our social media pages and click the subscribe button. Until next time, bye bye.